Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and today I am going to I'm not going to do an unboxing, but I am going to show you the unboxed items from my latest DIY designer box. Just going to be 100% honest here and say I had a really bad day the other day, and I opened up a DIY designer box and it was I was just really crabby. And it's, you know what, I like to be real, especially when I'm doing video and things like that. I really like to be real all the time, but it's not much fun watching a crabby person open a box. Let's just be honest. So I'm gonna redo it right now. I'm redoing it, and I'm still gonna show you the same items from that box. So anyway, that is the situation. The box is a DIY designer box from ThredUP, and it is 7 items, and you get that for $140 plus tax and shipping. It turns out to be, 20 something dollars per item, $22, $23 per item. So that is what we're opening today, or what I'm going to show you. It's a little different than I usually do these things, but the advantage is I've done a little bit of research, so that's a good thing. All right. Let's get into this box. By the way, it's from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and it is the bigger box, but I can show you the box at the end. So I'm going to actually start with the pair of shoes that is in this box. And by the way, not all of these items. I'm bringing some of these items to the Real tomorrow. So if you are interested in any of these items, you would need to see this the day that I post this. So okay. The first item is this pair of Jimmy Choo flats. They've got like a 1/2-inch heel. They're in pretty good condition. The bottom has wear, but I'm not really sure why. I think they're probably here because this part of the shoe got stretched out a little bit. Maybe that's why. If you have a wider foot, that's okay then. But these are a size 39. And it is just, I love the detail. I love this crisscross detail. It's so cute. The inside is pretty clean. The toes are in really, you always look at the toes. That's the toes are in good condition. And the backs are in good condition too. Look at that. So these are a size 39, and they're nice. They're really nice. So these I don't think I will bring to the Real. They're super cute. Okay, so that's the first item. I've gotten, some Jimmy Choos I've gotten have been a lot more beat up than that. So I think those will sell, and I think they'll do well. I must say, I got this sweater, and I think it's one of my favorite things in the box. It's a Millie sweater, believe it or not. It's a Millie size small. It's bright. It was really heavy perfumey, but I have already washed it, and I air dried it, and so it's in excellent condition. There's nothing wrong with this sweater at all. It's super cute, and it's like, I think, navy blue and royal blue together in a stripe. So I'm going to show you the tag. There it is. And you know what? I'm not sure. I don't think it's a cropped sweater, but it's a little bit shorter than the average sweater. 72% viscose, 28% polybutylene. All right. So anyway, it's a beautiful sweater, I must say. It's very, very cute. So that is that. The next item is pretty cool. It's a vintage Christian Dior shirt. Okay, I'm going to show you the tag. I actually washed this because the tag looked like it needed. The tag showed it was just kind of dirty, and I'm not going to. I don't want to. If I can have a video where something is clean, I would rather have it clean. So here is the shirt. It's a button front shirt, and it's black. It's a size 4. It's absolutely gorgeous. There was nothing wrong with it. Since I cleaned it, I think it looks really good. There's the tag. Get a little up close for you there. So Christian Dior chemise, Paris, France. It is 100% polyester, and it's a size 4. It's got shoulder pads in it, and it's button front, and I believe the buttons are fine on. Yeah, I didn't see anything wrong with the buttons or anything. There's nothing wrong with it. It's actually in really good shape. So that is the second item. Third item. Okay. Next up, this was probably the worst item I got. It's actually a really nice wallet. It's really pretty, but it's beat up. It's scratched up, and it needs to be cleaned up and everything. And I will clean it up. I have not done that yet, but I will clean that up. The bummer about this one though is like the hardware is really kind of like it's supposed to be gold tone, but that gold tone has worn off. And on top of it, it's just really scratched up. Here, I'm gonna try and give you a better view of how scratched up it is. So, I don't know what to do with this. Give you like, this part too. So I could sell it on here if anyone's interested in painting it or something. It's very nice, and the thing I do love about this wallet is that it's got spaces for your cards. It's got it's got this other snap part here. So you've got this, and then you've got this. So it's a bummer. I don't know. Someone really loved it, which is great, but not so great if you get it in a box. But anyway, all right, 3 items left. I'm going to save the best for last. I got this pair of Ferragamo shoes. They're beautiful. They are gorgeous. They're suede and regular leather. And aren't they just pretty? The heels are gold, metal. And of course they've got the leather soles. It doesn't look like they've been worn much at all. There is some, like right here, the leather needs to be cleaned, which I can do. The tips of the toes are excellent. There's no problem there. There's really not much of a problem at all. The biggest problem is one of the heel tips is missing. So that needs to be replaced. I don't really think it's hard to do that. So, and the inside needs some cleaning too. But they're a size, I knew what size, 8.5B. 8.5B. Very, very pretty. I love the detail with the gold, the little gold stripe here. It's just so pretty. So, and those also did come with the dust bag. So that's cool. All right. So, so far, not the best. And, this is not the best box I've ever gotten. But, 2 cool things. This is an Etro denim shirt. By the way, it's still wet because I'm letting it air dry. I washed it. The sleeves the only thing I see wrong with this is, here's the back side of it. The buttons are good. It looks really good outside of one thing, and I'm gonna show you the tag here. It's a size Etro size. It says size 42. Yeah, so 42. Made in Italy, I believe. Yes. The only bummer is that there's these white sleeves. The cuffs on the sleeves are a little, you can't really see it. I looked really close and saw like right here, there's a little discolor. I don't know if you can even see that. And the other cuff of the other sleeve has the same thing. Here's the cuff. And then if you turn it around, okay, can I even find it back? I've cleaned it, okay, right here. I've cleaned it a few times. It's really hard to see, but it is there. I mean, it's probably nobody in a million years would ever notice it, but I noticed it, so I'm bringing it up here. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but Etro is a great brand name, and it'll sell whether I bring it to the Real or sell it on eBay or whatever. It'll sell. So the best thing I got in the box. When I originally opened it, I was like, meh, oh, but I was incorrect. I love it sometimes when I'm incorrect. Sometimes that's a good thing. Okay, so this dress came in there, and it's Oscar de la Renta, and I'm gonna just kind of like it's like a knee-length dress, absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful. It had a stain in the front, and it had some other stains on the sleeve, but I got those all out. And so there's the back of the shoulder has a very small, I thought it was a stain, but it's not a stain. It's actually someone used some thread in there to repair, I think, even though it doesn't look like it needed to be repaired. But right here is where that is. You can see just a little. So I thought that was like a little dirty, but it's not. It's just a little bit of thread someone used. And they didn't have white thread, so they used what they had, I guess. Anyway, that is it, and I don't think that's a very big deal at all. It'll just blend in with someone's skin color. No matter what skin color you have, I think it'll just, I don't think it'll be a big deal. So, it's very pretty. It is just, anyway, the best part of this is I saw this exact dress on sale at the Real Real, for sale, for $350. So we'll see. I'm going to show you, I'm taking the hanger off here so I can show you the tag. I hadn't realized when I opened the box that Oscar de la Renta does have some absolutely stunning, I think this would be used for a wedding dress, actually. Really stunning styles. So there we go. Oscar, size 6, great size, made in Italy. It would be so beautiful for someone getting married. It would just, I can't even, it's just gorgeous. So there you have it. I'm glad that I'm actually really glad that I canceled that last video and did this one instead, because it was just not pretty. All of us have bad days sometimes, including me. So anyway, I super appreciate you watching my channel, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to get more of these unboxings, and have a wonderful day.